friends, welcome back. Today we're going to do something a little different. I thought it would be fun for me to show you what I eat in a week. In this video, you'll find easy and healthy recipe ideas and helpful tips for balanced and intuitive eating. I believe that eating balanced meals is the key to maintain a healthy body and healthy weight. So now let's get started. I usually start my day taking supplements. I take a vitamin D, omega-3 fish oil, and a probiotic. I'll drink a small glass of water along with the supplements. I find it especially beneficial to hydrate myself in the morning because our body tends to be dehydrated after a whole night's sleep. Then I'll make a coffee and breakfast. Today I'm making oatmeal with chia seeds, some brown sugar, walnuts, some golden raisins, and I love to top it with ripe banana slices. Just add hot water and a healthy breakfast is ready. Oatmeal is my go-to when it's cold because it's such a hearty and warming breakfast. You also get a good portion of fiber from the oats and chia seeds. For lunch today, I'm making a shrimp salad for two. I got these wild-caught shrimp from ALDI and they're just absolutely the best. Defrost the shrimp and pat dry with a paper towel. In a pan, add some olive oil. Drop in the shrimp. Season with salt, paprika, and some chili powder. The seasoning just coats the shrimp so perfectly and makes the shrimp look extra appetizing. When fully cooked, take them out and set aside. I also like to cook some beans on a weekly basis. I use rice cooker on slow cook mode for 4 hours and the beans will come out perfect. I store the beans in a container and eat it throughout the week. Take out some cheese and a boiled egg. Slice the egg into quarters. Cherry tomatoes are one of my favorite ingredients to add to a salad. Slice in half and they're ready. I also slice some radish. Load up the plate with spring mix leafy greens. Add tomatoes and radish. Add beans and shrimp. I like to add some olives too. Split the cheese and add it to the plate. Top with sliced eggs. I also like to sprinkle some sesame seeds for decoration. Now the salad is looking beautiful. Next, I'm going to make a simple salad dressing with olive oil, Dijon mustard, some honey, and a little balsamic vinegar. The salad is one of my favorite lunch to make during a busy work week. It's healthy and full of protein. I always drink water with my meal to slow my eating speed and help me feel full. For dessert, I'm eating a clementine and some dark chocolate. Sometimes in the afternoon, I like to have some green tea to help energize myself. But if you have trouble falling asleep at night, stick with herbal tea with no caffeine in the afternoon. For lunch today, I'm making a chicken noodle soup. Simply chop carrots and celery. Finely chop 1 clove of garlic. I'm going to defrost my homemade chicken stock. In a pot, add olive oil to sauté the veggies. Drop in minced garlic. Add chicken stock and water. Season with salt, black pepper, and crushed rosemary. When the soup boils, drop in noodles of your choice. Cover and set a timer for the time needed to fully cook the noodles. Ta-da! Chicken noodle soup is ready. You can, of course, add chicken. Today, I'm having it without any meat and eating the soup with sliced cheese and apples. It's a super cold day and it's snowing outside. My cat Bao loves the heat vent and will lay on the vent when the hot air stops blowing. For today, I'm craving something warm and I'm making the Japanese-style cabbage pork hot pot. Prepare 8 large cabbage leaves. Lay sliced pork on one leaf and put another leaf on top like a sandwich. Repeat the process until all the cabbage is used. Slice cabbage and pork sandwich into 1-inch slices. For the soup, I'm using 1 piece of seaweed for a simple stock. Put seaweed on the bottom of the pot. Next, we're going to assemble the cabbage and pork sandwiches in the pot. Make a soup base with 1 tablespoon miso, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon mirin. Use hot water to fully dissolve miso before pouring in the pot. Cover and let boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's make a dipping sauce with my homemade chili sauce. I put a link of this recipe on the screen. For the second dipping sauce, I'm just using soy sauce. Now the soup is ready and I can't wait to enjoy it. This is exactly what I wanted for a cold day. For breakfast today, I'm making a Japanese-style egg sandwich. Soak boiled egg in ice water so they're easy to peel. Mash the peeled eggs with a fork. Add Japanese mayo and black pepper. Mix well. Cut off the sides of 2 slices of white toast. Spread the egg salad on the bread. Slice in half. I also like to eat it with some fresh fruit or cherry tomatoes. Guess who is also waiting for breakfast? The egg sandwich is a creamy treat if you want something more substantial for breakfast. I also want to show you guys two protein-packed snacks I frequently eat. The first one is Japanese tofu. These silken tofu come in small portions and they're ready to eat without additional cooking. Topped with bonito flakes and finely chopped green onion. Lastly, add some soy sauce. This snack is extremely easy to put together and is high in protein. Next is another healthy snack you can make quickly, a yogurt bowl. I use non-fat Greek yogurt and I always buy the not sweetened ones. Topped with frozen berries, banana is great for this too. Some hemp seeds and some sliced almond. Topped with honey and it's ready to be enjoyed. Since the yogurt is cold, I like to make a hot herbal tea to go with it. And this is how I like to enjoy some afternoon time when working from home. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed it and leave me a comment if you like this kind of content because I would love to make more if you do. Thanks so much for hanging. I'll see you next time.